The CNC spinning flanging machine is equipped with a Siemens system and automatic program generating code software, which makes it simple to operate and easy to set parameters. The Siemens system ensures consistent quality and high precision. The result is a product of superior precision and consistent quality. If multiple spinning is required, our automated programming software can automatically generate the program. Its automated CNC control system speeds up operation and realizes high production efficiency. Flexibility to choose between right-angle flange edges and rounded flange edges with flanging angles of 0 to 92 degrees. The maximum arc length of the rounded flange edge is 200 mm, while the maximum width of the 90 degrees flange is 90 mm.